Alright, now I'm going to be showing you how to get access to the Mindustry beta on a cell phone or a tablet. So what you're going to do is you're going to open up Google Play, type in Mindustry, you click it. Now, you gotta wait for it to load. Oh, I don't know what I did. Okay. Now you scroll down, and you see it says join the beta. You click join, joining beta, and then you just install it. Now, it says it takes a few minutes. So whenever that happens, you'll click update, just like that, and then boom, you open it up. In fact, it even says beta here now. You open it up and it'll tell you this is the beta version. There you go, beta. And that's it.